Hey, man. Hey, we keep getting raided by the banana monkeys. We need to do something about this.
I know.
Well, what should we do?
Them.
Alright,
I have an idea.
I'm gonna go buy a coffee, okay?
Alright. If you need anything...
Alright, let's go get some coffee now.
Alright, let's go get some.
Some good coffee.
Okay,
Hey, I hear something.
Don't think I can.
Hey, what is that? I hear something. What is happening?
I'm gonna go outside. Shut up.
Help me! Guys, we need to start training. Wanna know why? Those banana monkeys, they keep on beating us up from our villages. And now we need to take the ice back. Now let's start training. Alright, I want you two to fight each other. And you guys start. Wait, I heard something. Wait! Banana monkey.
Huh?
I saw a banana monkey over there. Alright, let's go to the ice thing. I don't think there's nobody here. Wait! A banana monkey! Let's go hide! Wait! Use our fighting skills that we learned! Run! Run!
I think they have.
Guys, what do we do? They're coming up now.
I don't know.
Wait.
They're coming out.
They're gone.
Oh, they're gone. Wait, what?
No!
Oh!
He's gonna hit us! Ah!
No!
Help! 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 Help!
Help!
Oh, I'm gonna ground slam you.
Kick him in the stomach.
Wait! It's God Monkey!
Into the ice. Slap into the ice.
Guys, it's Banana God Monkey! He's too strong! We have to run! What do we do?
Go. Go down the escape pod.
Run!
Wall serve.
Alright guys, let's go, I'm
so
hungry. Me too.
Oh, guys, they just
I need a water.
They did something to my arm, guys.
What? We want water! Well, we are water monkeys. Guys, we have a little bit of water right here. Wait.
How about this? I'll give you a little bit of water.
Okay.
Guys, do you not understand how bad this is? My arm!
His arm.
Somebody help.
Alright guys, what do we do?
Alright guys, I have a
We need to
master
escape.
plan. We can come around here. There's an opening. Just drop down. Guys,
Oh,
I think
wait.
someone's coming.
Let's just hurry this up. Ah. Let's go.
What is out there?
Wait. Ah! We need to run. Yes, I think we got away.
Come on, guys, get the...
I'm so exhausted.
I do. It took so long to go there. Alright, now what?
No.
Ah! How?
Run!
Ah, he's right here.
Shouldn't they be
No.
soggy by now?
Yeah.
He has a hat on.
Run.
Oh.
Get juked.
Go! Jump out the window!
Run.
Monkey. Okay, guys, we need to run. Help him! Run. I heard there's a mine close to us. I heard that there's a mine. Let's get to a mine. Hey, guys. Guys, we have to run.
Slowly patrol.
This is.
Oh, my arm's back. Oh no.
He's right behind us. No, run.
Oh, go.
I see him.
He doesn't know me.
I lost him.
He lost us. Let's hurry. Ice monkey, follow us.
Okay.
Here's
Over here,
something.
over here. Wait, I think there's ice. Guys, ice.
I have something. On me.
Let's get as much ice as we can. I'm gonna go look for the other guy. We have to help him. Other guy, where are you?
Come on.
Come on, come on. Come on, there's a little bit of ice right here.
I hear you.
Ow. Alright guys, let's go.
We gotta run away.
We need to go. What?
The Apple Army area. You need your passports.
But we're running from the banana army.
We're running from the banana
We
army.
gotta hurry up.
Well, then you come this way.
Okay,
We are been afraid of those guys for years.
let's go.
Uh.
Come on, guys. Let's see if we can get one of these houses here.
Oh, over there. Perfect.
Oh wait. Hello, sir.
Be careful.
Are you?
Are you that landlord guy? Can we have some?
You the landlord?
Hey, can you give us a little cheer? Wait, he fell. Ooh. That was crazy how he splattered on the ground, bro. He looked like pee, bro.
Yeah.
Like he peed himself
He
just
did
like
it,
thousands of times.
intentionally, I think.
Yeah.
Kind of looked like that.
Wait,
I mean, oh, banana monkey. No. No.
do something.
Oh. I got you with
No. Ah. Oh my, that's gory. Man, why did he have to die? It's too quick. It's too quick. Oh, I need some ice, man.
Yeah, we need
This is a little. Wait,
So,
she has ice.
Ice.
Mm.
Oh, ice.
What else are you gonna tell us? Follow you? Okay. Be quiet. Don't wake her dad up. Oh no, oh no. Isn't that your
We're
brother?
making too much.
I think that's his brother. Now what? Hide, hide. Oh no, it's your brother. Don't tell your dad, okay? Just don't tell your dad, please. Do not go and tell him, please. Do not go and tell your banana dad, okay? We're trying to sneak out, okay? Now where do we go?
From here. Wait, what's this?
go.
Guys, we gotta go. Wait, no, it's the dad. Try running, come on. Ow. I gotta run. Slide down the ice. Ice monkey. Ow. Where's the dad at? I'm sorry to do this.
Go.
No. No. That's it then.
Being your team.
No, never. Okay, fine. Please.
Be in our team.